Hello, this is Ra. This is the Takeo HSS hydronic design software. It's a parametric 2D application. I'm going to introduce you to the heat pumps. If we go to Open Example, Systems, Hydronics, we have various heat pump projects. I'm just going to select this one, Simultaneous Fluid-to-Fluid Heat Pump. So here we have a basic system. We can change it from metric to English very easily. Just double left click. This is the project properties. Choose metric. And now it's changed to metric. So here we have English, metric. We can show all the pipe sizes by hitting Control A, right click, connect to annotations. We can show any of this information on the screen: diameter, flow, temperatures, length, head loss, velocity. There are the pipe sizes. Again, if we go back to English, you can see how easy it is to move between the two. And here is the specific project property data on the heat pump. Here's our heat pump. We double left click. Here's all the information related to the key data related to that heat pump. Heating information, cooling side, and if we go down to selection, we can use auto selection, or you can type in your own model. And this information will end up on the bill of materials, the schedule sheets, the engineering documentation, and that's a brief introduction to heat pumps. Let me just show you right here. Here's the types of heat pumps. There's fluid-to-fluid heat pumps. So there's air-to-fluid, fluid-to-fluid. So you select the heat pump, or you select the no manufacturer, and you drop it onto the screen. That's how it works. Thank you very much.